Moto Bat. I thoroughly do not recommend them. They are junk. Overpriced junk. Anyway, a quick way to check your battery, even though it's telling you it's got 1222 volts, is to do a cranking check. So, cranking check. So even though it's telling me, or it was telling me, 1222, it's got a cranking voltage of about 5. That's most likely because there's some kind of internal short in it. Anyway, this local battery was 1/3 of the price. We'll be putting that on from now on. Let's do a little voltage check on that one. That's just arrived in the post and it's got a dry charge of 13 volts. And it says here, if the voltage is below 12.4, you need to charge it. Well, the voltage is not below 12.4, so that one will be going straight in the bike. I'm going to put it on the floor actually, otherwise it will be going down there. Okay, bad boy, you go down there because you're going on the bike in a minute. Meanwhile, back at the Ford Escort, managed to get a couple of coats of epoxy on it last night before the damp set in. Actually, it was still bloody hot when I got that one. So that's sealed against the cold. And now we're on the stripping. Strip it. Good thing about the stripping is I know exactly where all the filler and the dents are, and this one is looking exceptionally good. There's hardly any pug in it anywhere. Trouble with that is it means that when I've got it done, I'm going to like it and want to keep it, but I can't afford to keep it. So some lucky bugger is going to get quite a nice Escort. Could do with a little bit of work down there, but really, go away. A fly trying to go up my nose. In terms of rot, this one's sweet. Talking of sweet, what's going on out the back? What have we got for dinner today? I can smell bamboo. What's this, love? Shredded normai with pork. Sounds good to me. But not many people think you can eat bamboo. Not solid stuff anyway. So I think I'll just position myself ready for that lot to come in, and then it's chow down time. Later then. Oh, hang on, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Ooh, it smells bloody lovely. Let's do it.